With Jumping Sumo, you can record videos and take pictures. Press Photo button to take snapshots. The photos are saved in the Jumping Sumo memory. To recover your photos, go to the Context menu and press Internal Memory. Photos can be stored by default in the Jumping Sumo memory. Select the photos that you wish to save and then press Transfer to add them to the gallery. With Jumping Sumo, you can record videos. You need to connect a micro USB key on the head like this. Click on the icon Record like this to record a video. Download your videos and photos from the photo gallery via Wi-Fi directly onto your smartphone or tablet. Select the video or image you want to save and click Download.